Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So today we are going to solve pattern 15 from TUF Plus. So let's try to understand this problem. So here we are given with a number n and we want to print something like this. Let's get back to the iPad. Let's try to understand problem in detail. Here n equal to 4. What we want to draw is AB, then AB, AB and A. Something like this. Okay. So in this kind of pattern problems we have seen, we first try to identify the number of rows and the logic behind that, or maybe the loop which will identify number of rows here. So we can clearly see the number of rows here 1, 2, 3, 4, and which is equivalent to n. So can we say that my loop will run for the outer loop I equal to 0, I is less than n, and I plus plus? Yes, we can say that, and it will give you 0 to n minus 1 rows, that is 4 rows in this particular case. 0 to okay. Then we should mark our i's here. I equal to 1, I equal to 2, and I equal to 3. Correct. Now the main question comes here, like how we would like to print the characters. Okay, and here the pattern is like directly characters we want to print. There are no spaces or something like that. Okay, so it's pretty easy. So we have to identify some patterns around these rows basically. So can we say here A is common in all the rows? A plus 3, yes it is. A plus 2, yes it is true. A plus 1, yes that's true. And A plus 0, yes. In earlier example also we saw A plus 3 is nothing but B. A plus 2 is nothing but C, and A plus 1 is B, and A plus 0 is A only. So we can say that this can be one of the conditions in our inner loop. Okay, so we have to identify some formula around it. A plus n minus I minus, can this be true in this case, and is it giving us this particular value or not, that we want to find out. So let's try to put in the values for n and I for each row. A plus n is 4, I is here 0 and 1. So 4 minus 0 minus 1 is nothing but 3. So A plus 3, this is 2. Okay, then again for this row A plus n is 4 minus I is 1 here minus 1. So it is A plus 2 is here also. Then again A plus 4 is, then I is minus 1, giving you 1. 4 minus 2 minus 1, yes 2. Then for the last row A plus 4 minus my I is 3 and minus 1 is giving you 0 only. 4 minus 3 minus 1 is 0, equivalent. So we can make use of this particular condition in our loop, and the loop will be of characters because we want to print characters here, right? Char ch A will start from A, then h is less than equal to this formula A plus n minus I minus 1, then ch plus plus. Okay, and inside that what we will print? We will print h. Okay, and we will do print ln, break the line for the next row. This is our pseudo code for this particular problem. So let's try to code it. We'll write first our outer for loop for I equal to 0 is less than n I plus plus. Okay, then said that for character ch equal to A, right? Then ch is less than equal to our formula that we derived, A plus side bracket n minus I minus 1. Okay, then we'll do ch plus plus. Now inside that, what sim dot out dot print of h, and since there is space after every character, so add that space also. Last time we encountered some errors around that, and then at the before closing the outer loop, we'll do line break. Sim dot out dot ln. Okay, try to run this. Going wrong, and okay, there are no spaces required. Run again. I guess there was some problem with the portal. Yeah, it's running. Both the cases are accepted. Try to submit it. Yes, there are something happening with the, yeah, it is accepted now. And just talking about the time complexity, you can say here it is running from 0 to n minus 1, and running my A2 basically, it is also running for till I time, so it is going to be a 2 for loops of n square, and time is of 1 because these two variables. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.